Hey everyone, Dale here with Renewable Innovations, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools for cooling your home naturally, cutting down your energy bills and keeping your air fresh. The QuietCool Whole House Fan. Now, you might already know that air conditioning is one of the biggest contributors to your utility bill. In fact, in many parts of the country, cooling makes up nearly half of a home's summer energy usage. And while AC is effective, it's also expensive. But what if I told you there was a way to dramatically reduce your reliance on air conditioning without sacrificing comfort? That's exactly what a whole house fan can do. So, what is a whole house fan? Well, a whole house fan is designed to pull cool outdoor air into your home and flush out hot, stale air up in your attic and out through your roof vents. Imagine your home is a big balloon. During the day, heat builds up inside, making your AC work overtime. At night, when temperatures drop, a whole house fan lets you take advantage of that naturally cool air outside. Open up a few windows, turn on the fan, and within minutes, your house feels cooler, fresher, and way more comfortable. The best part, you're not just cooling the rooms you're in, you're cooling the entire home. Walls, floors, furniture, everything gets flushed with cooler air. That means the next day, your house starts off at lower temperatures, so your AC doesn't have to fight as hard when things start heating up again. Whole house fans have been around for decades, but they had some major downsides. They were loud, often so loud you couldn't watch TV or even have a conversation in the same room. And installation meant running electrical wiring down your wall to a hardwired switch, which was usually the trickiest part. QuietCool solved both of these problems. Their fans use an acoustically designed duct system, which makes them extremely quiet. We're talking about the difference between the roar of a jet engine versus the hum of a ceiling fan. And instead of running wires through your walls, these models come with wireless remote control in smartphone apps. That means you can control your fan from anywhere in the house without hiring an electrician to open up the drywall. Now, let's get into the models because choosing the right size is important. If you go too small, you won't get the cooling effect you're looking for. And if you go too big, you're just, wasting energy. QuietCool makes it simple by matching each model to your home square footage. The rule of thumb is to be between 2 and 3 times the square footage of your home, but you'll want to check with QuietCool to make sure you're getting the right one for your region. The ES3100 fan moves 3,081 cubic feet per minute on high and 2,020 cubic feet per minute on low. And it's ideal for smaller homes up to 5,041 square feet. Think condos, townhouses, or cozy single-family homes. The ES4700 steps up in size. The unit moves 4,195 cubic feet per minute on high and 2,304 cubic feet per minute on low, covering homes up to 2,098 square feet. For the average American home, this is usually the sweet spot. And lastly, the largest ES7000 is for larger homes. This fan is a powerhouse. It moves 6,878 cubic feet per minute on high and 4,304 cubic feet per minute on low. Cooling spaces up to 3,439 square feet. If you got a big family home, this is the one you'll want to look at. All of these models are energy saver units, which means they're designed to give you the maximum airflow while keeping energy usage low. I believe the largest unit uses less than 727 watts on high and 164 watts on low. So how much can you actually save? Well, depending on your climate and usage, many homeowners cut their AC usage by up to 50 to 90% during the cooler months. Imagine running your fan in the evening and overnight instead of keeping the AC on. You're moving thousands of cubic feet of air for pennies compared to dollars in air conditioner burns. Over the course of a summer, that can add up to hundreds, even thousands in savings a year. And it's not just about money. Using a whole house fan reduces wear and tear on your AC, which means fewer breakdowns and longer lifespan for that expensive equipment. Plus, you're lowering your overall energy consumption, which is better for the environment. Here's where QuietCool really shines. Installing one of these units doesn't require a full remodel. Most homeowners with some DIY skills can handle the job in an afternoon. The fan mounts in your attic with a grill in the ceiling, and because it uses a remote control system, there's no need to run new switches or rewire your walls. And if you don't want to do it yourself, this is well within the skill set of a local handyman. You don't need a specialized HVAC contractor, which means installation costs stay low. Once it's in place, operation is super simple. Open a couple of windows, grab the remote or your smartphone, and hit the button. That's it. Within minutes, you'll feel cool air flowing through the home. And while we're talking about QuietCool, I want to mention their attic fans too. These mount right on your gable vent and keep steady flow of air moving through your attic. Even if you don't go with a whole house fan, just having an attic fan can dramatically reduce your attic temperatures, which in turn lowers the strain on your AC unit. I had one of these in my last house, and just that alone made a noticeable difference. But when you pair an attic fan with a whole house fan, that's when you see the real magic happen. At the end of the day, a QuietCool whole house fan is about comfort, savings, and smarter living. Instead of running your air conditioner around the clock, you can use fresh outdoor air to cool your home naturally, save money, and breathe cleaner air. If you're ready to pick one up, I've included Amazon affiliate links in the description below for all three models, the ES3100, ES4700, and the ES7000. Pick the one that matches your home's square footage and start enjoying the benefits right away. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking to cut their cooling bills this summer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.